Hello, my name is Olayinka Oridupa. I am a veterinary pharmacologist. I studied veterinary medicine at the University of Ibadan and graduated in 2004. I obtained my master's and PhD degrees in veterinary pharmacology and toxicology in 2007 and 2013 respectively. I'm also a fellow of the College of Veterinary Surgeons of Nigeria. I teach veterinary pharmacology and toxicology to undergraduate and postgraduate veterinary students of the University of Ibadan. My research focus is on African medicinal plants, particularly plants in Nigeria where I'm from. These plants have been traditionally used for centuries and are still in use with remarkable successes and minimal toxicities for the various diseases that they have been used for. The initial plant that caught my attention was Lagnaria breviflora, which is traditionally used for treatment of Newcastle disease. Newcastle disease is a highly pathogenic viral disease of economic importance which affects birds with about 100% mortality in many cases. In the course of my research, I have verified the antiviral claims of this plant as well as other pharmacological properties of the plant. I've also been opportune to work with of several other plants and I've worked on their pharmacological and toxicological properties as well. I've also been able to explain some of their mechanisms of actions. In going forward now, in the rural areas, most people are small scale farmers, especially the women, and they have limited number of animals which they hold to sustain their household economy. I observed that these women use medicinal plant remedies for themselves and their children and the animals they keep. Orthodox medicine and medical care is not available or at best scarce in so many parts of these regions, but these people depend largely on the medicinal plants from the nature around them. I believe as an Einstein fellow, I can take my research to them to help them get better preparations, educate them on how to make better preparations, introduce them to the empirical standards of these medicinal remedies that we've been able to come up with in my laboratory. Further, this will further reduce the toxicities associated with these medicinal plants and also improve the pharmacological effects observed with them. This, in the overall, will improve the health care and individual productivity of the individuals living in the rural areas and in the overall enhance economic empowerment, especially for rural women and children. Thank you.